the food we waste today could feed the hungry, but the food we lose to pests threatens us all. Every year, countless farmers watch helplessly as insects destroy their stored grains. Families unknowingly consume food contaminated with chemical pesticides. The problem is real, but so is the solution. I am Shobha, representing Maharaja Agrisel Public School, and today I present to you BioBlock Repellent, a waste-wise storage, an eco-friendly, effective, and sustainable way to protect our grains for future. Aim of our project. The aim of our project is simple yet impactful: to develop an eco-friendly natural pest repellent using easily available non-toxic ingredients. Our goal is to protect stored grains, reduce food wastage, and minimize resilience on the harmful chemical pesticides. So now the question arises, why we chose this problem? Pest infestation in stored grain causes significant food loss, economical damage to farmers, and health risk due to high chemical pesticides. We chose this problem because farmers face major financial losses due to spoiled grains. Retailers struggle with wasted stock. Consumers unknowingly consume the toxic pesticides. By addressing this issue, we can promote sustainability, reduce dependence on harmful chemicals, and ensure safer grain and storage for all. To understand the real impact of this problem, we conducted a survey of 60 participants, including farmers, retailers, and households. Our finding reveals high grain loss due to the pest infestation, concern over the health risk of chemical pesticides, limited awareness due to eco-friendly solutions. Most importantly, 85% of the participants expressed their interest in natural alternatives. This enforced our belief that sustainable solution was needed. Our survey focused on three critical questions. Have you faced insect infestation in stored grains? What challenges do you experience with chemical insect repellent? And would you prefer using a naturally eco-friendly repellent? Farmers and retailers struggled with infestation. Chemical pesticides were seen as unsafe, and there was a strong demand for an organic alternative. This analysis guided our approach to design an effective natural repellent. From our research, we identified four major problems: infestation, beetles and moths destroy the stored grain, leading to significant grain loss; harmful chemical repellents, traditional chemical spray leave toxic residues and can affect human health; lack of eco-friendly solutions, farmers and households lack a sustainable alternative; and need for a natural alternative. A solution was needed that was effective, affordable, and safe for humans and the environment. The scientific concept behind the BioBlock. What makes BioBlock effective? Science. We use natural ingredients known for their pest repellent properties. Pomegranate peel containing allergenic acid and tannins which have antimicrobial and insect repellent properties. Neem leaves, a natural compound that disrupts pest breeding and reproduction. Onion peel, a powerful antifungal and antibacterial agent. Clove powder, which paralyzes insects and prevents infestation. Fuller's earth acts as a moisture absorber, keep grain dry and pest-free. Four ingredients repellent test. To test BioBlock's effectiveness, we have experimented with different ingredient combinations. Those ingredients were neem leaves, garlic peel, citrus peel, and mint leaves. Each formulation was tested for pest control, moisture retention, and grain quality. The goal was to identify the most effective combination for a long-term storage protection. Methodology. In the first step, the ingredients were sun-dried to preserve their active compounds. Then they were finely powdered for maximum aroma review and effectiveness. In the third step, we blended them into precise ratios to inform uniform pest protection. After that, the mixture was dried again to stabilize and enhance the effectiveness. evaluate BioBlock's performance, we set it up a controlled experiment. They took two containers. In container 1, that was with BioBlock, stored grains were monitored for pest activity, moisture level, and spoilage. In container 2, which was without BioBlock, used as a control sample to compare the results. Both the containers were observed for 30 days under the natural storage conditions. The results were clear and promising. The grain stored with BioBlock had almost no pest. The container without BioBlock has visible pest infestation. BioBlock successfully repels weeds and moths over 30-day test period. This proves that BioBlock effectively protects our pests without using harmful chemicals. Not only will BioBlock repel insects but also maintains the grain quality. The grain stored with BioBlock retains their natural color, no spoilage or contamination was observed. Moisture level remains stable, preventing mold and fungal growth. This is day 1 of rice without BioBlock and with BioBlock. We conducted this experiment for the next 30 days, and after 30 days, we observed that bowl 2, which was with BioBlock, had no floor beetles in it, and bowl A, which has flower beetles in it with no BioBlock. So, the conclusion for our experiment. The experiment clearly demonstrated that BioBlock repellent controls pests effectively, maintains moisture level, and preserves the grain quality. The BioBlock successfully decreases the pest activity, kept grain intact with minimum spoilage and regular moisture level to make it an unfavorable environment for the pest. A non-toxic grain storage solution, a cheap alternative to the traditional pest control method. The parameter of insect repellent satisfied by our repellent. Pest repellents, grain condition, cost effectiveness, moisture retention, effectiveness duration, no chemical residues, safe for environment, no toxicity, aroma intensity, and it is cost effective. This is a comparison graph between other chemical repellents and our BioBlock. Other chemical repellents are non-biodegradable, made with chemicals harmful to the environment, contain toxins, they are not usable, and contribute to environmental waste. But on the other hand, our BioBlock is biodegradable, made from organic material, independent, does not pollute the environment, non-toxic and chemical-free, cost-effective, reusable, do not contribute to waste, 100% biodegradable, preserve grain quality without any risk. Importance and innovation of our product. It is safe and eco-friendly. Long-term protection. It minimizes the waste, promotes recycling, and it is cost-effective. Future potential of our product. We are aiming to use it in agriculture suitable for warehouses, silos, and bulk grain storage. Potential for fruits, vegetables, and more. There is a global market potential which is eco-friendly, cost-effective, and alternative to pesticides, and it promotes sustainability that improves recyclability and use biodegradable, locally sourced materials. Thank you.